Literary terms test. First, type your first name in the box here. Next, type your last name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1, the use of visually descriptive or figurative language in writing, imagery, personification, or point of view. Number 2, when you give human characteristics to non-human objects or elements, theme, personification, or plot. Number 3, the sequence or order of events in a story, how a story is organized, mood, tone, or plot. Number 4, the life lesson or moral of a story, climax, theme, or falling action. Number 5, the feeling a reader gets when reading a story, mood, tone, or style. Number 6, an author's attitude towards the writing, tone, conflict, or point of view. Number 7, the relationship of the narrator or storyteller to the story. This is how the story is being told. Examples: first person, second person, or third person. Is this mood, point of view, or exposition? Number 8, the hero in a story. This is the most important character in a story, play, or novel. Protagonist, antagonist, or exposition. Number 9, the character that is working against the hero or protagonist in the story. Protagonist, antagonist, or exposition. Number 10, how an author writes, tone, mood, or style. Number 11, when an author writes, the author's use of specific words, tone, climax, or voice. Number 12, how the story ends, how the conflict is resolved, falling action, rising action, or resolution. Number 13, the placement of clues about what will happen in the future of your story, exposition, conflict, or foreshadowing. Number 14, a struggle or problem between two opposing forces or characters, conflict, climax, or falling action. Number 15, in this part of the story, we meet our characters, learn about the setting, the time and the place, and the basic situation of the story. Rising action, climax, or exposition. Number 16, a category of literature or writing, Examples: fiction and nonfiction. Is that mood, style, or genre? Number 17. The most exciting part of a story. The turning point. Climax, plot, or conflict. Number 18. The events that take place after the climax of a story that leads to its resolution. Falling action, rising action, or resolution. Number 19. The events that directly lead up to the climax of a story. Falling action, rising action, or resolution. And number 20, I was very prepared for this test today. True or false?